So today we'll be starting on the front end development. We'll be creating some components, modules in the front end so we can start implementing the API we just created in the last week. So moving forward, inside this source, you see this is the front end folder. In this source app, I can see this app.ht component.html. Let me just run it. Ng serve. Oh, it should be inside the front end folder. Ng serve. So till it is starting, let's just start working. You see this app.component.html. This is the basic file which is executed when we run the project. See this hello front-end car rental. So I just do control this, and I just add h1, and I add car rental. So you would see that this is changed now. See? Yeah. So let me just open this in integrated terminal, which we can do in VS Code easily. I do ng g, then m for module, then I do modules, then /admin. So you would find that it would be creating a folder in the project. Like you see in the app folder, it created a modules. In that there is a admin module, right? But I forgot one thing in this, so let's just delete this. So what I'll do, I'll go into this, I open this integrated terminal, and I just write ng g m for module, then I do modules, then I do admin, and I do routing equals to true. Okay, it should be like this, routing true. And as soon as this is completed, it would be creating a folder modules with admin. Now I have to do same for customer, because there would be a customer as well. Customer. So you see there is a folder admin and a folder customer. So I go into the admin folder and I create another folder which is known as components. And I would also be needing services. Inside this component folder, I open this in integrated terminal, and I write ng g c for component, and I do admin /dashboard. So in this there is a folder known as admin dashboard. I have to go into services. I have to write here ng g s for service admin. So I just go into the service. You see I have one folder for admin router. Then I have to go into the customer folder, and here I'll need to create same a component and services. It is created at the wrong place. Components, services. I go into the components folder, and I need to write same as I did in admin dashboard. So I'll be creating ng g component c for component, then we have customer dashboard. So you see it is created. Now I need to go into the services folder. Mhm. Delete it. Inside the customer, I have a component and another one is the services folder. Here I go ng g service customer. So you would see that we have customer service here. Now I have to create a auth folder here. Inside this, I'll be creating components and also I'll need a service. First, let's start from the components, and here we do nggs, and I will do login. Not s, sorry, c component, right? Now, same I have to do for sign up. Now, inside the service folder, I do nggs auth/auth, and I do storage/storage. Storage/storage. I should rename this. Okay. Now I'll need to install another package in this, which I'll be doing in the root of the project. So in the root, this is the root of the project, and here I just do ng add ng/Zoro. It's not the Zoro of One Piece. Okay, it's mainly and design framework. It helps us to create the component of the front end very easily. So it's asking me, would you like to proceed? Yes, I would like to proceed. It would also ask me some more questions, and I'll be simply agreeing on them because I would be needing more if it asks. Okay. So it is done. Now let's start creating a form and sign up page mainly. So in that page, we'll be using the API which we just created in the last page.